In this video, I'll break down 4 simple steps to manifest. Before we get into it, if you're all about real transformation from the inside out, don't forget to like and follow so you get more videos just like this. Here are the 4 simple steps. Step number 1, regulate your state. Step number 2, shift your identity. Step number 3, decide. Step number 4, detach. Now let's dive into each step so you can start incorporating it into your daily life and become a manifestation baddie. Number 1, regulate your state. We do not manifest what we want. We manifest from our state of being, meaning who we are being. If we are living in survival, we will continue to manifest from the same old patterns. If we are living in an anxious state, we will attract more things to feel anxious about. So when we shift from anxiousness to calm and grounded, we are then in alignment with the energy we want to attract. And when our body feels safe, we open up to receiving. When we are in survival, we block and protect. So whenever we feel that anxious state come up, our job now is to go inward, regulate our system, calm down, and teach our body how to feel safe in the moments of feeling anxious. Slowing our breath down, coming into our heart, breathing into our heart space, doing some somatic movement to release stored energy, stored emotions. Anything where we allow our body to fully let go, surrender, breath work, EFT tapping, shaking it out, yoga, anything to allow your body to release, soften, and open up to receiving. All right, number 2, shift your identity. This is where we tap into our subconscious mind. We are choosing to no longer live in the old patterns, the old stories, the old beliefs that we once told ourselves. We are now shifting into a whole new identity, a whole new version of ourselves, a version of ourselves where we are it now. We are the version of ourselves who has what we desire. No more asking when it's coming, no more it being outside of us, okay? Because we're too busy being it. And we do this through reprogramming our internal belief system. You start acting like someone who expects it. And if you expected it with certainty, what would you believe to be true? What would you be telling yourself, speaking to yourself? What would your inner conversations look like? What would your thoughts be? You would be in full trust and knowing and certainty. You're shifting your language from I hope to I know and I am. And it feels so amazing. You can do this through different practices. Scripting practices, writing it in the present tense, listening to subliminals, affirmation tracks that get you in that energy. EFT tapping, visualization, meditation, seeing it as it's happening now, and living in that state more than living in the old. So you're choosing to live in the new state, consciously choosing to create that internally. And when the old comes up, you just continue to rewire and override by going into your new state and showing up as this new version of you, moving like it, and showing up consistently, even when results aren't visible yet, because you continue to believe and have faith, and you choose trust over fear, certainty over doubt, and you do the things you would do as that version of you now. Number 3, decide. Decide it's done now. Decide it is yours. Decide with certainty. No more hoping, waiting, searching. You decide this is happening for me now. This means you also say no to things that do not align with the new version of you, because things that once aligned with that old version of you may no longer align with this new version of you, and that's okay. No more settling, no more proving, no more accepting less than you deserve. You are only choosing the things that are in alignment with this brand new version of you, the version of you who has it. And if you were that version of you, what would you accept and what wouldn't you accept? That is the question. You move like it is inevitable, because you know it is, because you decide. So you're getting rid of the language of I hope, what if, or where is it? Delete that out of your vocabulary now. It is done. It is mine. It is happening. That is your new vocabulary. Last and certainly not least, detach. Detachment means you are not without. You know everything is right here, regardless of anything that's happening. And you're letting go, and you are stepping into trust now. You're not controlling anything on the outside of you. That means we're not checking, we're not searching, we're not going to allow questioning to pop up or attaching meaning to anything. That means if something happens in our 3D reality, we don't use it as evidence of things not happening for us. We continue to trust and know and decide and just keep going within. And we don't become obsessed with needing, okay, the thing, because we're too busy creating the feeling within ourself. We don't need the thing to feel any certain way. We have that already. We just have to align to that within ourself. And then the thing is manifested. So we release the attachment to it, go about our day living fulfilled, living whole and complete without anything, filling our own cup, enjoying the moment, being present in the moment, having fun and relaxing. That is detachment. And detaching doesn't mean you don't care or you don't desire the thing. It just means you don't need it to fulfill you. You are fulfilled already, whole already, and you know things are working out for you. That's where trust and faith come in, and that's where detachment comes in, is when you truly fully know you're taken care of. So anytime you feel yourself checking, chasing, searching, this is a sign you need to just come back into yourself, create that trust. Trust, trust, trust. I let go. I know I'm taken care of, and relax. And then go have fun and be authentically you. And that energy attracts everything. Follow these 4 steps and you will become a magnet to everything you desire. If you're really fully ready to step into alignment, I've created a 30-day challenge called the Reality Recode that helps you do all of these 4 steps daily for 30 days straight. So if you're feeling called to that, link is in the bio. And don't forget, the power is within you. So no more giving your power away. You're going to take your power back today and decide. It's already happening for you. Now go do some manifesting. Comment it's happening to claim this energy today.